is Joanna Barajas, and I'm going to show you how to make lentejas recipe. So it's basically just lentils. First I'm going to saute a few vegetables, and then we'll throw in our lentils. So we have a tablespoon of oil. Heat that up a little bit. And then we have our carrots. I'm going to put in. And we have that was about 2 carrots. This is going to be a quarter onion, 1/2 of a yellow chili, and 1 garlic clove. So I'll put that in there. And we'll just saute that for 1 or 2 minutes until it's just kind of softened. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, we can see it's kind of softened. I'm going to add the potatoes. So this was 1 potato. I used gold Yukon. Okay, this is going to be 1 cup of lentils. We'll add. And then I'm just going to add 4 cups of water. And just one more thing is the bay leaf. You don't want to forget to put it in there. And we're going to bring this to a boil. And then once it boils, we'll cover it and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. And check it every now and then to make sure there's enough water. And when they're tender, they're done. And that's it. So after 40 minutes, they're ready. And also if you want to add salt, add it halfway through, about a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we're just ready to serve. And look at this beautiful lentils. It's a healthy meal and very nutritious. We have our carrots, and you can serve this with tortillas, freshly sliced avocados or tomatoes, and you have a great meal. And this has been Joanna Barajas with shapeupfridge.com, and this is your recipe for lentejas.